Hello folks, we are once again back with the next video of this exercise 7.5 problem number 21. Again here we can see that I is integral of 1 over e raised to x minus 1 dx. Now because it is there in this exercise, we know that somehow we are going to do the partial fraction and get it done. But when it comes in the exam, you have to be really watchful as to what kind of substitution you should be doing in order to get the integral. So here, because we do not find any other factors, actually right away I think we will go in for a substitution and check whether it is going to help us in any way. Let u be e raised to x minus 1. What's the derivative? Du is for e raised to d over dx is going to be e raised to x is e raised to x as it is, but 1 has no derivative. So your du is going to be dx over e raised to xy, because we don't have anything else, so we have brought it on this side because we have only dx there. So but then when we look over here, e raised to x is actually u plus 1 also. So when we want everything in terms of u, so therefore you could write this like this, and then we could convert our integral and see how it is going to work. And we had to be tricky like this because there was nothing else. We had only one factor. If we have to bring the partial fraction into picture, then we had to do all this. So here we would have the dx getting replaced as du over u plus 1, and already the existing 1 over e raised to x minus 1 is 1 over u actually for u. So now it's okay, it's a partial fraction, 1 over u times u plus 1. So let's consider that and use our partial fraction. Consider 1 over u times u plus 1. So it's like a over u plus b over u plus 1. This entire fraction to be multiplied by u plus 1, this entire fraction to be multiplied by u. So it's going to be a times u plus 1 and b times u over u times u plus 1. And here u times u plus 1 can get cancelled, and therefore you have a times u plus 1 plus b times u becoming 1. So let u be negative 1. If u is negative 1, then this term vanishes and you get negative b as 1, which makes b as negative 1. And so also let's substitute for u as 0. So if u is 0, then you have a times 1, actually that's a, becoming 1. So you've got a as 1 and you've got b as negative 1. When we go in for the integral, it's very easy that the integral is going to be a over u, which is 1 over u, and negative b, so 1 over u plus 1 du. So therefore the integrals are going to be 1 over u du minus 1 over u plus 1 du. So this is going to be log modulus u minus log modulus u plus 1. We all know it because it is a linear, so it's very easy for us. So now reverting back, log modulus u for us is going to be e raised to x minus 1 minus log modulus e raised to x minus 1 plus 1. So therefore it is only e raised to x plus c. So log modulus e raised to x minus 1 minus log modulus e raised to x plus c. That's simpler. Very simple as compared to the partial fraction part is very simple, and it becomes simple only when you do the correct substitution. Otherwise it's like a whirlwind. You will keep on moving and you will not get the answer. That's all for this particular problem. With more problems, we'll meet in the next video. So as I always tell, please popularize the channel, see that you spread a word, and see we do get a lot of subscriptions and the channel becomes more popular. Thank you.